Good morning, Rough Riders. This is a shout out to the sophomores and certain juniors who will be taking the PSAT exam on Wednesday, October the 16th. Sophomores will test in the classrooms and juniors in the auditorium. The PSAT or Pre-Scholastic Aptitude Test is a standardized test that provides practice for the SAT. The National Merit Scholarship Corporation allows juniors to compete for scholarship monies and recognition. At this time, we would like to see what the students already know about the PSAT. Please pass out the pre-surveys, and for the next 3 minutes, we will allow the students to answer as many questions as they can. Okay, the time is up. Teachers, please collect all the pre-survey forms, whether they completed them or not, and place them back in the envelopes provided. Thank you for your assistance. You might be asking yourself, what is the PSAT? The PSAT is a standardized test that provides first-hand practice for the SAT. It also gives you a chance to enter the National Merit Scholarship Merit Corporation scholarship programs and gain access to college and career planning tools. What skills are tested on the PSAT? The PSAT measures critical reading skills, math problem skills, and writing skills. You have developed these skills over many years, both in and out of school. The best test doesn't require you to study, but just recall specific facts from your classes. Why take the PSAT? The PSAT provides SAT preparation. Juniors taking the PSAT compete for scholarship monies and recognition. All students taking the PSAT receive personalized feedback on critical reading, mathematics, and writing skills. The online score reports provides easy access to all questions with their correct answers and full explanation. Students' academic skills are compared to other college-bound students. Personalized SAT study plans are provided additionally with questions and suggestions for further practice on the SAT. My Road is a great exploration tool. How do the PSAT and the SAT differ? The biggest difference is the time. For example, the PSAT includes 5 sections. It measures 2 25-minute critical reading sections, 2 25-minute math sections, 1 30-minute writing skills section. The whole test requires 2 hours and 10 minutes. Whereas on the other hand, the SAT includes critical reading, math, third-year math questions, writing, and essay. And the time it takes is 3 hours and 45 minutes. Here's the million-dollar question. How is the PSAT scored? For multiple choice questions in reading, math, and writing, you will receive 1 point for each correct answer, a 4th point deducted for each incorrect answer. For math, 1 point for each correct answer, 0 for each incorrect answer. Nothing is deducted. 0 points for omitted questions. Nothing added, nothing deducted. In other words, if you don't answer and you omit the question, you will be not penalized. The scoring scale ranges from 20 to 80, 80 being a perfect score. Now you might ask yourself, how do I get ready to take the PSAT? Here are some short-term preparation goals. Understand formula score and educational guessing. In other words, you can guess and you won't be penalized. Be familiar with the types of test questions, the test directions, and test format. For long-term preparation, develop skills by reading. Improve vocabulary and develop essential skills through continuous reading. See your librarian for some books. Check them out. Begin to read. Read more books than just those required for class. Now, before I take this test, how do I develop strategies to do my best? For one thing, I can read all the directions. Number 2, read all the answer choices. Number 3, do scratch work in the test book. Number 4, read steadily. Don't stop. Number 5, skipped questions. Leave it blank on the answer sheet, then return to it if there's time. Number 6, remember, you don't have to answer every question to score well. Have you ever heard of process of elimination? What do we mean by that? Well, number 1, educated guessing means guessing an answer whenever you're able to eliminate one or more of the choices as definitely wrong. Educated guessing may help you. 2, random guessing probably won't help you because of the way the test is scored. Random guessing means that you have no idea which answer choice is correct. Don't waste time on that kind of a question. Move on to the next one. And remember, you can earn an above average score by getting only half the questions right and omitting the rest. This concludes the PSAT presentation. And just a reminder, sophomores and juniors, we will be testing on October the 16th. That's Wednesday, October the 16th. Get a good night's sleep, eat a good breakfast, and be ready to rock and roll. Teachers, please pass out the post survey, and for the next 3 minutes, see what they have gained. I hope they were listening, and if they were listening, they'll do well on the post test. Now, teachers, please collect the post-survey and place them in the provided post-survey envelopes. This concludes our PSAT presentations. And ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a good night's sleep. Remember, eat a good breakfast and be ready.